Today, most field robots work for 4 hours, then spend 2 hours recharging. That's 8 hours of lost productivity every single day. EternaBot changes that. It detects, dispatches, and assists autonomously. No cables, no fixed stations, no human intervention. It performs onboard maintenance in real time, cleaning optics, swapping modules, restoring mission continuity. When your robot kneels, EternaBot stands to help yours rise again. Designed to support all types of robots, humanoids, quadrupeds, cleaning units, delivery bots, and security systems. EternaBot is not a concept. It's a multi-patented system ready to deploy. We don't build robots. We build the robot that powers yours.